Alrighty. Hi, guys. Alright, the three little musketeers are here. Junior showed up first and the girls came. There was a guy on a mower on the other side, just kind of hanging out looking at his phone. So I was like, get the hell out of here. No, I didn't say that, but I was hoping he would leave. And they're all eating. I don't know, Junior looks very skinny. His eye doesn't look so great. Alright, maybe when we trap him, they might kind of look at him. I don't know. Alrighty. They are eating, and we are working on opening the poll site at 10. Yippee. Alrighty. See ya.